Hello guys, welcome to the after class. अनि आजको क्लासमा चाहिँ we will be looking at conversion को कुरा है. How do we convert number systems, that is from binary to decimal and decimal to binary. यो दुईटा कुरा चाहिँ आजको क्लासमा हामी फोकस गर्छौं है. हामीले decimal to binary conversion we have already seen it, but we'll revise it once again. And we have binary to decimal conversion. हामी कसरी गर्छ भनेर we'll see it. Let's take a random decimal number at first, right? Let me just take a one at 56. As we all know, the best value of decimal number system is 10. So if you see questions like this that axis, okay. Now we can see the 156 has best value 10, and the question is asked on the best value of 2. As we know that binary value, the binary number system consists the best value 2. So we can say that the question is asking us to find the binary value of this number, that is 156. For this we need to know about division. All right, guys. Okay, let me commit. Okay, we simply have to divide at first, and division को कुरा आएपछि order even number को कुरा आउँछ. 156 is an even number, so हामीले 2 ले 156 लाई perfectly divide गर्छ हैन. So if in such case we just have to keep the remainder as 0 and just move forward, right? Move forward and keep 2. Now as we know, the 156 divided by 2 is 78. Then again 78 is perfectly divisible by 2, so we keep 0 here again, and here 78 is 39, right? Because 9 to 18, right? So 39 is an odd number. In this case चाहिँ हामी के गर्नुपर्छ भने चाहिँ we have to subtract it by 1. 1 subtract गर्यो भने it will be 38, and that is even number and perfectly divisible by 2, so the 1 comes out here, right? And so if we divide 38 by 2, and we get that is 19. Okay, again same case, we just have to keep a 1, and 9 2 is 18, right? And again the same case, we just have to keep a remainder of 1, and we have now 2 4 is 8, right? So yes, now 4 is an even number, we have to keep it 0, and the remainder is 2 2 is 4, right? Now 2 is again an even number, so the remaining is 1. Now as we know our के गर्नुपर्छ भनेर, we just have to list the remainder from bottom to top. Okay, now let's see how do we keep it भनेर है त. We just अब के गर्नुपर्छ भने 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0, because तलदेखि माथिसम्म हेर्ने गयो भने हामीले सिंक्रोनाइजेसनमा राख्यो भने it is this यता. अब our calculations say that the 156 को हाम्रो बाइनरी भ्यालु चाहिँ के हो 1001110 हो भनेर हामीले हाम्रो क्याल्कुलेसनले भनेछ है त. अब is it true or not? Let's just test it out है त. Now let's just find another question. Okay, let me just erase this thing. Now let's just find. Okay, okay, now we should be able to find the decimal value of this number is 156 right? Let's just Let's just do our thing calculations and see कि हाम्रो त्यो आउँछ कि आउँदैन हामीले खोजेको एन्सर चाहिँ आउँछ कि आउँदैन है त 1 1 0 0 no binary calculation गर्न I mean to convert any number into binary is quite easy किनभने हाम्रो डिभिजन गर्नुपर्छ and रिमाइन्डर जस्तो चेक गर्नुपर्छ and this one I find students ले अलिकति हार्ड फाइन्ड गर्नुहुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ यसलाई यसमा चाहिँ why भनेर चाहिँ म अहिले भन्छु ल त okay this one is power 0 अब we just have to हामीले के चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ भने we just have to keep all these numbers you know यो सबै नम्बर्सहरूलाई एउटा बेस भ्यालु दिने that is 2 because the base value of binary is 2 अनि त्यसलाई दिएर चाहिँ हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ भने चाहिँ अब सिन्क्रोन तलदेखि माथिसम्म चाहिँ we have to keep on increasing जस्तै यसको भ्यालु 2 to the power 0 भयो भने यसको 2 to the 1 हुन्छ 2 to the power 2 हुन्छ and then it goes for 3 right it goes for 4 then it goes for 5 it goes for 6 and it goes for 7 okay and if the numbers are अलि धेरै numbers छ भने it goes in increasing है त as I have already said in class 2 हैन हामी अब यहाँ चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ भने चाहिँ we just हामीले के गर्छ भने यो नम्बरलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौं and we add this number again this multiply and add this त्यस्तै सिन्क्रोनाइजेसन सबै हामी त्यसरी सल्भ गर्न ट्राई गर्छौं by that I mean to say just 1 into 2 को power 7 भयो 2 को power 7 भयो अनि प्लस राइट मैले सबैले त्यस्तै गर्छु ल त this one will go like to the power you 0 this will be 0 to the power 1 3 4 5 6 okay now what I just did is मैले यो सबैको as I said हैन तपाईलाई यसलाई र यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरे प्लस यसलाई एड गरेर फेरि यसलाई र यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरे है as you can see I just did 1 into 2 to the power 7 plus 0 into 2 to the power 6 and so on and so on so on है अनि the power of the power त सबैले देखिरहनु भएको छ सबैले हैन so now the next step here will be okay the next step here will be हामी के गर्नुपर्छ भने 2 to the power 7 भने के भन्ने कुरा हामीले बुझ्नुपर्छ कसरी बुझ्ने भन्नाले चाहिँ हाम्रो म्याथमेटिकल रुलै के छ भने okay म्याथमेटिकल रुलै के छ भने anything to the power the number of things जस्तै a to the power 2 छ भने हाम्रो के हुन्छ भने a into a है and it goes in increasing and increasing ल जस्तै a to the power 1 छ भने a मात्रै हुन्छ a to the power 2 छ भने a into power 3 छ भने a into a that goes on and on हैन तर a to the power 0 छ भने that will be चाहिँ हाम्रो 1 हुन्छ हैन a to the power 0 छ भने चाहिँ 1 हुन्छ and anything multiplied by 0 is 0 जस्तै हामीले 2 to the power 6 छ त्यो भनेको हाम्रो 64 हुन्छ त्यसलाई यदि हामीले 0 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने that will be 0 so no any हामीले यो मल्टिप्लाई गरेर बस्नु नि के फाइदा छैन हैन so the first thing that we have out here is 2 to the power 7 है त 1 into 2 to the power 7 भन्नु कति हो भने 2 यो चाहिँ यो चाहिँ रफमा गर्नुपर्छ ल गाइस यो चाहिँ 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 that's 7 times right 7 times त्यो भन्दा कति हुन्छ थाहा छ 2 2 is 4 2 is 8 2 is 16 2 is 32 2 is 64 2 to 128 so भाइ हाम्रो 2 to the power 7 भन्दा कति रहेछ हामी त्यसरी क्याल्कुलेट गरेर इट्स 128 है त So the next goes यो 0 हुन्छ किनभने 0 to the power 2 to the 6 छ यो भनेको 0 हुन्छ है anything to multiply by any 0 is 0 है again 0 because 0 into 2 to the 5 2 to the power 5 is 0 हैन यो मैले हल्का सर्टकट लिएको मात्रै हो you can do it like this भनेर because त्यो क्याल्कुलेट गर्दा टाइम वेस्ट गर्न सक्छ है त 2 to the power 4 is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 right 16 छ अनि अर्को छ 2 to the power 3 भने that is 8 and again we have we can see that there is 0 and another 0 right so all we have now is 128 it's 128 okay plus 0 plus 0 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus and 0 right so if we add this all it's 128 plus 16 is 144 I guess 128 138 138 140 is 144 plus 100 and 144 plus 8 is that is 152 right I'm sorry 152 yeah this one is left right 2 to the 2 to the power 4 one only 4 wala हेरेछ नि sir plus 4 plus 0 छैन so yeah plus 4 plus गर्यो now if we have to add it all right? It's 128 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 that is 156 so हामीले के प्रुभ भयो योबाट चाहिँ 100111100 that binary number is equivalent to 156 decimal number भनेर प्रुभ भयो है त as you can see 156 ले हामीले यो नम्बर निकाल्यो so this convert यही नम्बरलाई हामीले कन्भर्ट गरेर डेसिमलमा निकाल्दा this 156 निस्क्यो ल त so that's how you convert binary into decimal this one binary to decimal and decimal into binary okay guys nice so for you to try convert 234 decimal number into binary number and again convert the result into the decimal number right? This one will be your like homework right okay guys thank you for tuning in